Yo, what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beast TV. Coming to you today, another special video. What's good? What's happening, YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beast, and I'm back with another video for you today. So today, as you can see, we getting right to it, y'all. I'm doing another behind the camera POV view of some shoes that just came in the mail. And yes, we talk about none other than the Air Jordan 4 Feel. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the label. So the label reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. Black, white, anthracite, black. This is a size 10 and a half. Y'all know I wear 11s, usually exclusively, but I do have some 10 and a halves here and there. If I have to go up or down a half size, I usually go down. I do have a few 11 and a halves. I just rather the tighter fit than the bigger fit. So it is what it is, y'all. Just wanted to explain that. But today we got a very dope shoe. I'm gonna be honest, if you heard me talking about it in previous videos, I might have said I wasn't rocking with it, not because I didn't like it, but just because I didn't need it. But here we are again today. So I got a story behind this shoe. I'm gonna talk about the history, the details, and let you know if these are still available. But before we do that, please make sure, if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. It's your man OG Bo Beast. Let's get right into it. All right, boom. So here we go, y'all. This shoe, Air Jordan 4 Fear. Man, this is a dope shoe, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, this is a very dope shoe. This shoe released November 16th of this year, 2024. This has been a year of Air Jordan 4s. I talk about this a lot, but we had the White Thunders, the Bread 4 Reimagined, the Military Blue, the Wet Cement, the Oxidized Green, and I always forget one. So if I forgot one, leave it in the comments for me. But a lot of fours come out this year. This was a dope one. It's just the timing for these shoes. It's the end of the year, and I just said I wasn't gonna get it because I had just got the White Thunders kind of late. So here we are. So retail price on these was $215. They dropped November 16th. They sold out eventually. It was a slow sellout. I don't see them on sneakers anymore, so they're gone pretty much. I looked on the Navy Exchange this past Sunday, and lo and behold, these were sitting on there. Now, when I saw them sitting on there, not only was the price $171, but they also had a size 11. But I hesitated to buy them because I was in the middle of my workout at the gym. By the time I was able to buy them, the 11 was gone, and the 10 and a half was still there, so I copped it. I also did a double up on the Air Jordan 9 Olives, so I got those for like 140, 150, 160, and double up because I want to wear them. So I'm gonna use one pair as probably a pair that I wear a lot, and then I got my pair that I'm gonna keep on ice. Just letting y'all know. Anyway, back to this shoe. So this shoe right here, this hasn't been released since 2013, and when it got released back then, y'all, it was a pack. It was 3 shoes. It was the Air Jordan 3 Fear. It was the Air Jordan 5 Fear. Now we're gonna talk about the Air Jordan 3 Fear in a minute. Y'all, I got these out ready for you. But now let's focus on these. So the pack release, and it hasn't released since up until this date. So it was a little bit of anticipation, and I'm not surprised these finally sold out. Not to mention their 4s. But let's go ahead and do a quick review of the shoe. So on the outsole of the shoe, you see you have a mainly white or light gray. It's hard to tell, but I guess it's white outsole. You got a white Jumpman in the middle of some hits of black, and then you got another hit of black up here at the ball of the shoe. All right, turning it over, looking at the midsole. Like I said, I guess, yeah, this is white. And you got this lighter gray in the midsole. And then, of course, you got these iconic white speckles over black on the Air Jordan 4 Fear. I really like how that looks. Really give the shoe some character. You got it also up here where the midsole is a little bit lighter gray, then it fades into black with the speckles. Of course, you see you got the air bubble. I like that the air bubble has that red color in there, give the shoe also some flair and some character, so that's pretty dope. So moving up to the upper of the shoe, you got a nice premium suede on these. Very good materials. I like these materials on these. You start off with more of a cool gray, and then you get into a darker, I guess that's the anthracite gray right there. So I like how they fade the colors in these. Moving up, you got the Obviously the fishnet on the Air Jordan 4, so you got black fishnet, you got the black fishnet on the tongue, black laces, you got the white lace loops on these, and then of course the Air Jordan 4 comes with these wings on the side for the laces, and these are black in a rubbery feel. More with the tongue. I don't know why I still got this on here, but the tongue, you got a big white patch with a black Jumpman, and of course it says Flight. Behind the tongue, you got Air Jordan, white sock liner, black insole with a white Jumpman on the insole, y'all. So, and then of course on the heel of the shoe, you got a white Jumpman, and then you got the black tab back here on the Air Jordan 4. Very clean shoe, y'all. This is a 10.5. Like I said, I paid $170 for these, so I got a steal for these. Shout out to the Navy Exchange once again for coming through and with the quick shipping. So let's go ahead and look at the box real quick, y'all. You see on the Air Jordan, on the Fear boxes in general, but this particular one, see you got the Flight, white Jumpman, and then you got this iconic saying. So let me also give y'all a little bit more of history about this shoe. In the campaign ad for Michael Jordan's infamous words, "I'm scared of what I won't become, and you're scared of what you could become," it got brought to life back in the day, 2008, with a pair of Air Jordan 4. So that's kind of where they got the campaign slogan for these, and that's what that writing is that you see on the box. Also, when you open it up and look at the paper, that's also what that writing says. "I'm scared of what I won't become, and you're scared of what you could become." Basically, Jordan is saying, stop being scared, do what you got to do, and be great. All right, that's what I took out of that. So, like I said, back in 2013, when these released, they came out with the Air Jordan 3 and the Air Jordan 5. I don't have the 5s, but I do have the Air Jordan 3 Fears. Now, this is the 2023 pair, dropped last year, so you could kind of see what they're doing. This dropped last year around this time, and then this dropped, so maybe next year they'll drop the 5s, and that's cool with me. Like these 3s, I haven't worn them yet. This is like a Halloween looking shoe to me, so very dope. But you can see the same concept with the speckles on the midsole of the shoe, and also the red or orange in the air bubble right there. So also wanted to do a quick comparison with the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders. All right, so as you can see, Air Jordan 4 White Thunder, very similar, and one of the reasons I wasn't gonna get the Fears, I mean, obviously the Fears got a lot more colors and things going on, but it's basically a dark Air Jordan 4. Even the tips for the laces are similar. I guess the tabs on the tongue is a little different. Rear of the shoe, you both got the white Jumpman. You kind of see where I'm going with it. Obviously, the 4 Fears got the white sock. But yeah, so either way, just wanted to give y'all a quick rundown of these shoes and see what y'all think about them. Let me know how you feeling down in the comments. Was you able to cop these on the drop day, or did you get them for a steal like me? And if they restock, will you get you a pair? So holla at your boy, man. It's your man OG Bo Beats. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the Air Jordan 4 Fear, and I'm out. Peace.